spaghetti squash out. We gonna get them cut in half. Get all that nastiness out. And then we gonna stuff him. He gonna be good too, y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So after we get them cut in half, we gonna go ahead and hit them with my little spritz. You know that ain't nothing but olive oil, y'all. You ain't gotta spritz it on. You can just pour it on if you want to. Then after that, we gotta rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. And then we gonna go ahead and get them in our preheated oven at 350 degrees. Now that while that's in our oven, we gonna store it on our filling, y'all. So we're gonna come in with our onions, and we have a tablespoon of olive oil in our pan, and we also gonna come in with our bell pepper. Then of course, you know we gonna need a little celery, y'all. Got to have a little celery. Give that a little mix. Go ahead and get these vegetables sweated out real good. And we gonna add us 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh yeah. And while that good butter is doing its thing, you know what we gonna have to do, right? Gotta rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. That help them vegetables sweat out, y'all. Help them sweat out. Then we gonna go ahead and add our ham and our turkey, y'all. So we finna stuff this bad boy good. So all we wanna do is get a little color on our ham and our turkey. Oh yeah, this smelling good, y'all. This smelling good. Now once our stuffing start looking right, we're gonna go ahead and move it out the way. And look at here. Ooh, our spaghetti squash is ready now, y'all. Now, our spaghetti squash took about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the squash. And then we just gonna rake it with a fork, revealing that spaghetti-like texture. See how when you hit it with that fork, it just turned into spaghetti-like noodles. And then after that, we're gonna hit it with some cheese. Now this here is mozz. Y'all know I like my mozz, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you want to. And then we're gonna start stuffing our filling in. Now once we get all our filling in, we gonna go ahead and hit it with another layer of cheese, y'all. Now for me, I'm gonna go ahead and pat this down a little bit, creating like a little well. Now this part is optional, but hey, I love me a yolky egg in this. Now if you don't like a yolky egg, I mean you can go ahead and make sure that the yolk turn hard if you want. If you just want to add the egg, But that yolk make a big difference, y'all. Oh my goodness. And then we gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes. Now these here are simply cherry tomatoes that I just cut in half. And then after we get our tomatoes on, we gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit more of that matcha. Now, you can add as much cheese or as little cheese as you want. But you know my wife, she loves cheese. So I always make hers a little bit extra cheesy. And we gonna get them back in that 350-degree oven. Now after our cheese has melted, because everything is done, we ready to eat. We ready to eat. So let's go ahead and get one of these bad boys plated up. Oh my goodness, don't even look good. I'll add me a little avocado on the top. And like I say, that's optional too. If you don't like avocado, don't put it on there. But I like me some avocado. Take a look at that, y'all. Don't it look good? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I know that look tasty. But see, I know what it tastes like. Then we're gonna dip our fork on in and give us a taste. Now see, that's what I'm talking about, that yolky egg. Can you see that yolk on that egg? That, ooh-wee. Come on now, let me get this bite. Oh yeah, that's just tasty, y'all. Good. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.